girl Drea Nicole. We out here at the Love Match ATL premiere. Me and Jerry, we're gonna do our thing on this red carpet over here. So stay tuned.
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Sir Ken. I'm on the red carpet for the premiere of Love Match Atlanta. You guys make sure you tune in to ID 104 Radio and Franchise.
All right, so tell our audience exactly who you are, what you do.
So I'm Lamont White, aka the gay dating coach.
Oh.
So I match all the gay men in Atlanta and all over the U.S.
All
So
right.
you'll see me on the show being messy, but making sure guys and a couple girls find love.
I need to send some of my friends to you because they struggling.
Send them. What is
They struggling, and you know the guys, they ask me questions. I'm like, I'm on your side. I don't know either.
You're like, y'all fighting over the same thing.
Right? I don't know. I don't know. We need help.
If you fighting over the same thing, you don't want them.
So congratulations on the show tonight. How do you feel?
Hey, I'm excited. Bravo put a wonderful production together. I'm excited to see, like, we don't get to see all the edits, but I want to see, like, how it really plays out.
Right.
Like, what they kept in, what they took out.
Exactly, and how they made it look. You know how they do.
Right.
But it's entertaining. We like to watch. We be glued with the popcorn.
It's drama. You ready?
I am ready for the drama, and I am digging this suit.
Okay. I try. I play with colors.
My favorite color, and I'm digging this suit right now.
Thank you.
Thank you for stopping in. Thank you. Congratulations on everything that you got going on. I wish you the best.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? I'm Tana Gilmore. This is Drea Nicole. I'm with ID104 Radio Franchise. Nice to meet you. My favorite color. I love this. You can just stand right here. Look how beautiful they are. Yeah, with the head. Yeah. Hey, my God. You can stand right here so we all get in the shot.
Are we interviewing or picture?
It is.
Okay, so we're gonna interview. You taking a picture? Oh.
I'm recording your interview.
Oh, interview. So we gotta move on.
I have these two ladies here. Y'all matchmakers, am I correct?
You are correct. Yes, the matchmaking duo. I'm Kelly Fisher. I'm Tanya. And together for the matchmaking duo.
Oh, they got a routine.
10 years in on this. Yes.
So exactly, how do you feel about matchmaking in Atlanta? Like for real?
Yeah, it is. It's tough. I mean, we're a national company, but I think it's just getting everybody to sit down and not worry about what shoes people have on and how much money the man makes. Like, just really getting to know from the core who you are.
Right.
Yeah.
So we came to Atlanta to just, establish hope for everybody. They're saying that talking about the ratio, forget the ratio, throw it out the window, knowing that there is love right here in Atlanta for you.
Wow, so because I just moved here from New York.
I'm from New Jersey, girl.
The Northeast is in the building, y'all. We in the building.
You give them that style, that personality for that white stage. You got it.
So how do you feel about the show? I know you must be excited.
So excited. I mean, there's something, so we could never imagine that we would do reality, but it was the right opportunity with the right network and the right producers. And so we said, you know what, we're risk takers, let's get it. Let's do it.
That is something you got to step out of the way.
Definitely. And it's a day in the life of a matchmaker. Like, how many people really know what a matchmaker does? So that alone is worth tuning in.
Right. I seen the commercial. I was like, oh, this is good. I'm ready for it. I'm so here for it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. Thanks for coming.
We so appreciate you coming.
Blessing on everything. And happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Mother's Day to you too. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Yeah, we appreciate it.
You are?
I'm Shay Primus, and I love Match Atlanta.
Yes. So you are a matchmaker?
I am a certified matchmaker and dating coach.
You know, I might need a certified matchmaker at this point.
You know, I got you, girl.
Because on my own, it ain't working.
I know. It's very challenging. You know, it's so many women and not enough men. And we feel like we don't have enough to choose from.
Right, and I can't imagine doing it with somebody else when it's so hard for myself. So kudos to you
Thank you.
for
Thank
being
you.
successful at it.
Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. It's a fun job. I love what I do. Absolutely.
Yeah. So how do you feel about the show? I know you must be excited.
I'm so excited.
You've been smiling and
Yes.
beaming since you walked in.
Yes, I'm so excited. It feels like, it's a long time coming. You know, I understand we've all been matchmakers for almost 10 years. And this is like finally people are recognizing us.
Noticing you.
Yes,
Right.
yes. And that's how I feel.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing. And sometimes you just got to step out on faith.
Yes,
you know,
absolutely.
Because, you know, there's a stigma on reality shows, but whatever.
Yeah, exactly. There is a stigma, but I feel like we're doing something positive. We're helping people find love. So it's all good. It's all positive.
Right, and we all love those love shows.
Exactly.
Love connection.
That's why I'm hoping this is going to be successful.
It will. It will be. Because commercial already had me.
Yes.
Commercial had me going.
Yes, yes.
It's going to be successful. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Best of luck in all that you do.
Thank you so much.
And this is Drea Nicole, ID 104, and we signing out.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So beautiful. Thank you so much.
You know what's going on with you tonight, sir?
I'm
I'm scared to touch you.
Why you scared to touch me?
Because you're so fresh, so clean right now.
Every now and then I try to do something, you know what I'm saying? I'm on a low key most of the time, but they said we had a premiere party, so I got, you know.
Right, you gotta turn it
I had
up.
to do what I had to do.
You gotta turn it up.
Right.
Y'all see this lady? So you a matchmaker, right?
I am.
And you gotta be successful at it. I think you should.
Of course. They wouldn't bring me on if I wasn't.
Right. So how do you feel about being a matchmaker in Atlanta? Like, is it
I love it.
difficult?
No, it's not difficult at all because there's so many. It's not difficult. I think there's a lot of men and a lot of women. It's about connecting them together. You know what I'm saying? You hear all these ratios and you know how hard it is to date in Atlanta. No, I see couples all the time. I go to the park. There's 15, 20 black couples. They met. Why can't you meet someone? You know what I'm saying? So I think it's just about making sure people connect the right way. You know, finding different ways for them to connect. That's what I'm all about.
I can't imagine trying to connect people that I don't know. I have such a hard time with myself.
I get to know. I'm a friend to everybody, so I get to know everybody I talk to, everybody that I come in contact with, especially my clients. By the end of us working together, they're literally my brother or my sister. And that's what it is.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Making connections and making friendships. So how do you feel about tonight? Like, this gotta be exciting.
It's weird.
Like,
It's weird. I'm real low key. Myself, I'm a promoter. I do a lot of parties.
Low key?
Well, I am low key. I am. I'm real low key. I'll be honest with you. I'm real low key. But what I'm saying is, it's a party for me and my cast, so it's like a lot of attention on me. Usually I throw the party and the attention's on other people. So this is the first time like a lot of attention on me. So it's cool, you know. It's cool. You know, I've worked a lot. I bust my ass for the last decade, so I guess it's cool to be, you know, come out and step out and so.
just do it.
Just do it. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Queen.
I send all love and blessings
Thank
and
you.
everything to you and your crew. So this is Drea Nicole signing out.
Give me a hug.
Yeah.
Hey.
You might have to help me out. I might have to call you for real.
Hey, I got a lot of options. I got dating app, RBL, and I got matchmaking.
Yes, and let them know how they can follow you.
So RBL is my dating app I launched literally in 2013. Over 500,000 singles nationwide. Matter of fact, I just posted a new success story. A lady got proposed to in Maldives. He proposed to her in the Maldives. She actually was going to be a matchmaking client, but she wasn't ready. I told her to get on RBL. She's got a big fat brain. She's happy. So you can't, you know. So either RBL or realblacklove.com. You go check that out. And if you want to be a client, or you could be a prospect, a candidate for one of my VIP clients. So there's a lot of ways to meet people. That's what I do. Real Black Love. Putting black people together.
Yes, yes.
Hey, look at me. We've been looking for you. We've been looking for you, man.
How are you?
Thank you, Queen.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. Okay.
challenges. That sounds great. Get comfortable.
Get comfortable, yeah. Anybody who knows matchmakers, especially in the African American community, knows you.
I'm willing to put myself out there, willing to be vulnerable. Oh, that's so great. Tell us about people that you're attracted to. I'm attracted to men that have sense of humor, don't take themselves too seriously. Are you coachable? Yes. That's our secret sauce. That's how we've been successful. Matchmaking is more than just matchmaking. We're teaching you how to communicate. We're teaching you how to flirt.
You want to make sure that when you do find someone, you're ready.
Obviously, what I've been doing is not working. And I need to know.
Okay.
So matchmaking is about random